And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a beer icon. I've got the snapping disabled for this one. And now I'll create a rectangle first. Maybe something like this. For now I'll keep it black. Then I press Ctrl D on it to have it copied, and I give the copy a yellow color. And I resize that bottom to top, and when I resize it from one side to the other, I hold Shift. The yellow one is selected, I go to Path, Object to Path, and I use the Path Effects corners. And then I use the Nodes tool, select the bottom two, and drag this one upwards to have a curvature. I'll repeat that for the black one as well. So Path, Object to Path, click on the plus sign, use corners. Use the Nodes tool, select the bottom two, drag it upwards. Now we'll use the ellipse tool and just create random ellipses like this. You can use the cursor tool and reposition that a little bit, transform it, whatever you want to do, just make it random. Then I use two rectangles like this. And I once again use Path, Object to Path, plus sign, and then corners. And I give it this fully round bottom shape. But I reposition the individual elements on top a little bit. And that's better. Now I use the Bezier tool. I simply left click, then I hold Ctrl and go to the right hand side, left click again. I still hold Ctrl, go to the bottom, and then I use this diagonal line. I select the line, object, fill and stroke, and under stroke style width, I'll make it a little bit thicker. And I give it a round join. Let me zoom in and you can see what this does. So it was like this with a sharp join, and I've made it round. Let me try 20. And now I'll use the Nodes tool, I'll hover over this diagonal line and I click and drag to give it a little bit of a curvature. Let me transform it slightly to make it smaller. And let me now create a background first so that you can see what I'm doing next. I give this a red color and put it to the bottom. Then I'll select everything but the background, and I'll hold Shift click on a yellow element to deselect that. And I give it all a white fill. And then I have to hold Shift and click on a white color swatch to also give it a white stroke. Select only the element on the right and click on the X to get rid of the fill so that we have this cutout. Then select it all, Ctrl G to group it, and this is how you can create such a beer icon in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.